Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound dollar, overall, the trend is definitely still down. Yes, we've been drifting up, but based on structure, the trend is down. So I personally think this move up right here is all just a pullback to this last wave down. I got my Fibonacci retracement on there. We are sitting at a fib level right now, and it definitely could turn at this level. But just because of this bottom could become a top, I think there's a better chance that the 50 or maybe even the 61% is going to be where this potentially turns back to the downside, especially with the big holiday week ahead of us. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. If we get a break of structure to the downside at any one of these fib levels, then I'll definitely go back to looking for shorts. But really, as of right now, I am recommending longs. I think that this move up is not complete. We might be in a pullback right now, but I think we are going to make more higher lows, and we're probably going to go up to at least a 50 to 61%. Then, if we get a nice solid break of structure at a fib level, I will definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.